Hello everyone, Namaste, Namaskar, new viewers, my OGs, my lovely Moonians. Welcome to Gypsy Moon where art meets tarot. Today, inspired by tomorrow's 11:11 portal, we have a pick a card reading to understand what are you manifesting soon or soonest. Alright, I have a few we will be diving into the tarot to find out the current energies. Then we'll go into different things, a few oracles, and then we'll also see who is with you in spirit, like archangels coming in for you and their guidance also. I want to make this short and we'll be seeing maybe an affirmation that you can use or something or the other. Maybe I'll pull in a few cards extra, but I want to essentially keep it shorter than the usual readings. So let's get into it. This is number 1, number 2 and number 3. See which one are you getting drawn towards. You can set in your intentions also if you're pulled to more than one, but try seeing just one for the moment, for today perhaps. The first one is some kind of a fairy, and the second one is a tennis racket, and the third one is a grenade. So see which one. The close-up will be in the next section. Alright, just breathe in and out. You can also close your eyes and see which number or itinerary object over here can you see the most strongest, or you see first, feel most pulled towards, all of that. Take your time, alright? I'll see you soon. Hello group 1, for those who have chosen this fairy, it's actually a paintbrush and it comes with a palette, the stand which is a palette also. Found this in Kinder Joy, those eggs which is coated in egg in chocolate, and you have toys in between. I love all of that, small surprises, lights up the day. Alright, that is what is coming in. You could be a creative person, a creative idea which is now getting a foundation, a platform to flourish is also something which is coming in. Let's look into the 3D energies tarot, what it has. Maybe this is of relevance. Just a second. One of the lamps started flickering, so it in a way just felt like an idea which will be coming in. So let's see. Spirit, what are the current energies? What can you bring us? Alright, we have 7 of voices coming in, 7 of swords coming through, new portals, new doors, new information opening up. Ideas are everywhere. We have 2 of cups also coming in with 2 of emotions. Alright, just a second. And we have death card, Scorpio Major Arcana also coming in, which is really interesting. I'll put them the way my attention went to them. And this is talking about a new idea, no, not a renewal which is coming in, transformations which are opening up, you choosing something different, choosing yourself, and also something more meaningful which is coming through. I feel like you are becoming more clear as to your own vision, your likes, dislikes, and that is bringing in mutual attraction, affection, certain kind of love offer, expression of love that you could be manifesting in your life is the energy which is coming in, which comes in as a surprise. It changes your life altogether, or this comes in, this portal opens up of love, of new love perhaps, or coming in together in a potential union after something comes to an end, a chapter which is coming to an end. And it could also be a thinking pattern that we are letting go of, something karmic or something which has turned karmic for us, which we are letting go of now. Alright, and the fourth card coming in is Eight of Emotions, Eight of Cups coming through. Someone may be returning to your life is the energy which is coming in, because Eight of Emotions, Eight of Cups usually talks about walking away, starting a new journey, starting a journey of understanding what love truly is. Romance could be coming in, re-entering your life also is the energy which is coming through. At the bottom we have the Tower coming in, beautiful transformations, unexpected things which are happening, life changing altogether, from singlehood to jumping into a relationship energy is coming in. All right, and we have Seven of Inspiration, Seven of Wands also coming in, which is talking about right now the focus is coming in for you to believe in yourself, to let go of all those things which have stopped you from progressing. This is a time of letting the good win over the evil or the bad and all of that energy which comes in. And this is you standing up for yourself, and that is changing things around for you. You took a very strong stance for yourself, or will be asked to do so, and that will propel a new lifestyle for you is the energy which is coming in. You take a call of ending something, cutting cords, that initiation of ending or transformation which you do on your own, at your own free will, is potentially bringing someone from your past back into your life, or a new love which will be coming in. Rest assured, very soon you are manifesting a relationship. I can see that. If you are already in a relationship, I feel there's a renewal which is getting opened up. Also could be that you are meeting someone from your soul family very, very soon is also coming in. But I feel whether or not you have made the transformation, someone has already made a transformation and the rewards are coming in for just that. Like you let go of a toxic relationship, perhaps a toxic way of living, thinking that you're letting go of, and you are supporting yourself, empowering yourself, and that energy is getting manifested into a person. Someone who is very vital in your life is the energy which is coming in. On your soul journey is the energy which is coming through. So there are transformations which are happening, metamorphosis, glow up that could also be coming in. This is really, really nice. I feel like you're going to manifest someone who's going to be like, it's almost like the moth to the light kind of a thing. I'm not saying the thing right, but that's the energy which is coming in over here. You're pulling, like the transformation that you're going through, you're undergoing or have gone through, you're pulling someone into your life is the energy which is coming in. Let's see what the fortune cookies have for you. What else is group 1 manifesting soon? We have declutter. Declutter your life. Let go of correspondence, objects and people you no longer want. Someone will hurt your feelings and reveal a new side of themselves that you may wish to avoid. So if there has been any kind of deceit and everything, because we had 7 of Swords also, so this energy, the second part is referring to this. And the first line about decluttering, like letting go of things which are no longer in sync with your life, is the Death card coming in. And 7 of Voices does talk about new options coming in and also truth being revealed. So it could also be like, if you have been wanting to understand someone's intentions, true intentions, they will be becoming very clear. I'm not saying like, this will be a side which you don't like or anything. There is a possibility of that, but it will bring a lot of clarity once and for all. We have communication. A reunion could bring love or a rekindling of friendships. A lucky win seems likely. It's time to communicate. I feel also if there has been a no contact scenario, because we have the 8 of Cups also coming in, and this could have been someone who may have been a little flighty in the past. They are returning with a genuine offer is also the energy which is coming in. But it is seeming like a very, very lucky time for you guys. So this is really, really nice. We have health coming through. An excellent time to to start an exercise program or diet. Many new friendships are on the horizons. And while there are people, there are intentions or true faces of people being revealed to you, it is also helping you assess whether or not you want to be with these people or not. And if you are letting go of circles which are no longer vibing with you, do it without fear or judgment, because you are about to meet your soul family too, who you resonate with, who are truly supportive. Strong, meaningful relationships are being built now. Friendship, romantic, and everything. Like, I feel a lot of 3D and 5D support coming in for you. Like, on earth and beyond, friends here and beyond, soul family, soul tribe, which is getting enhanced, and I'm getting goosebumps saying that. I'm getting excited for you guys. This is really, really lovely. And maybe through your friends, unexpectedly, you may meet the one for you or the next person in your life. All right. At the bottom, we have romance. Love is set to sizzle. Love is set to sizzle. The chance for romance is high for those seeking a connection, and we have perseverance. You may feel like you are getting nowhere, but there are wonderful changes ahead. Don't give up now. Have patience, and your patience will be rewarded deeply and in beautiful ways. Is the energy which is coming in. Don't give up on the changes that you're making, positive changes that you're making. Your life is bringing in opportunities, or soon to bring opportunities which support your life, which support you and help you live life truly, fully, successfully. All right, that is what is coming in. Let's see what the wish WISH craft oracles have for you. What kind of magic is surrounding you is the energy which I'm going to tap into for group 1. What's coming in? What's coming through? Nice. We have a wand, and we'll read this, but I want to see this. Another star. See, the stars are here, which reminds me, of course, of transformations. Yes, but blessings coming in for you. Your wish is my command is the thing which I'm hearing from the universe. And fairy godmother energy is coming through. And apart from that, in terms of tarot, of course, the star card is getting enhanced. You coming into the spotlight. Success which is coming in. Recognition which is coming through. Accolades which are coming in. You are very healing. You have been healing yourself, and the rewards are coming through. So this one is, there is magic everywhere coming through. Build a fairy house, and the magic wand. I focus my energy, and this is really, really nice. Like, seeing everyone as equals is also kind of coming through. Empathy is in a sense coming in, but there are so many signs and synchronicities. Universe always being with you, and that getting enhanced also. Maybe the presence of your guardian angels and everything is going to get more stronger and stronger. I feel that it will be very hard to avoid it. Is the energy which is coming in, and many, many synchronicities which are coming through. Of course, when we start becoming more observant, aware of such things, we tend to pick them up also. Like, if you have your hands crossed, like fingers crossed, and you're waiting for a mail van or a black car, yellow car, whatever, on the road, then you start seeing those more and more. So it's just that, what are you bringing your focus onto is getting manifested. There's 333 energy and also 1111 energy coming in. Become aware of what you are paying attention to. Every time that you see 1111, it's a reminder from your angels or whoever you believe in from the other side that pay attention to your last thought, because that got amplified into the universe. So if it was a negative one, then let's turn it into something positive. The same chain, we don't have to completely flip it around, but at least trail it into something positive for yourself. If the situation, what you were thinking about, was something which you can't really think positive about, Like if it's a if it's a partner, I'd say life partner, I'd say, and you were just thinking about something of a conflict, I feel in that very moment, if you see 1111, then it is important for you to also think about a happy memory with that person, all right? That way is what I'm saying. Like, it could be a family member also, or a friend. Think with a friend. Just think about a happy memory with that person and change the energy around. Just something that I wanted to say. I feel I'm going very fast, but it's okay. I'm liking it. So let's see who is surrounding you now, blessing and coming towards you now. For group one, what's coming in for my artists or those who picked up the paintbrush and the palette? All right, this one. I was actually going to keep it inside, but then I was asked, please just take me out. We have archangels Gabriel and Uriel with the power of quite a word, Vivivsil and Master Wuslu coming in. Throat chakra, crown chakra energy coming in, and like these are orbs which have been captured, and that's the imagery over here. Number 42, number 6 could also be of relevance. 4th of Feb, 2nd of April could be of relevance also, just splitting the 42. It's really interesting with Archangel Gabriel coming in, because this archangel also brings in a lot of creativity and arts and all of that, and a lot of like light-hearted energy also. Do something that you're passionate about, and that will bring you grounding. Is also coming in. I just want to see what is written in it for this card. Very short paragraphs. I had it somewhere. Where is it? Can you believe it? I actually blended the... You may have seen it. I actually blended the booklet with the cards. That's just excellent, Akriti. We have number 42. 42, yes. This orb gives you a sense of the vastness of the universe. Vivivsil is one of the lords of karma, who also gives ascension teachings in the inner planes. Master Wuslu. See, my pronunciations won't be the best, but just try understanding the whole message, alright? Or could be Wuslu also. The greatest high priest incarnated in Golden Atlantis helps you assimilate the knowledge which is being downloaded to you. Your guidance is to open up to receive this. You're manifesting a time of new wisdom, higher downloads. Your spiritual growth is coming in, and suddenly while saying that, I just wore my new specs also. So that's really nice. Looking at things, there's a lot of clarity which is coming in, and clear decisions. Your thoughts becoming clear, more in alignment with yourself, because there's a vision that you have for yourself, and you know with that vision, you know what is working for you, what is not working for you, and that's making a lot of things easier now. There's no procrastination, there's more higher alignment which is coming in. The universe is with you, is the energy which is coming in. Magic is everywhere surrounding you too, and there's so much magic in you. If you have been supporting yourself mentally, health-wise, in every way, supportive to yourself, there's a lot of support coming in from the universe. You're manifesting that too. If you have been waiting on certain kind of communication, that will also get manifested very, very soon. And overall, whenever this gets manifested, I feel like the doorway to romance is opening up for you now. Let's see what guidance is coming in from the guides. These are star seeds oracles. Cues from the universe for you. Okay, these are way too many. You are boundless, you are limitless, no limitations was there, courage was there, magnificence, and which one was that? Intuition, which is coming in. Slowly and steadily, your intuition is also. I've just felt like you do something wherein you follow your intuition, where everything else around you is suggesting you to do something else, but you go with your gut instinct. And the reward of following your intuition is gonna get manifested too, is the energy which is coming in. Ooh. This group, this pile has a very lovely energy, very lovely energy. So I feel like if you have been feeling a little lethargic, lack of energy, courage I'm going to take because this second time it has flashed out, lack of energy and everything, I feel that there are there's going to be more energy that you start feeling happy, feeling inspired to do things, try different things, experiment a little, put in a little bit of flavor in the mundane, all of that which is coming in. I feel like the wheel which has been going a little slowly because the road has been a little rocky, and now the road is smoothing out. It's almost like you're hitting the highway now and the wheels are turning very fast. We have courage. Live your life fearlessly with courage, strength, and determination. We had perseverance also, which was there at the top, and this is just like a lot. The spirit of courage is being instilled in you now, and you will find courage and strength to do what is right for you, even if it involves making space in your life. But you know now that you're making space for love, abundance, intimacy, prosperity, and all the good things to enter your life. And that is exactly what is coming through. Slowly and steadily, gentle waves of the same are entering your life. That is what is coming through, alright? What else would you like to say, suggest, guide group 1 towards? Thank you. We have reflection coming in, which goes in whenever you're trying to declutter, whenever you're trying to analyze whether or not you want something, you do a little bit of reflective work in terms of that also. I'm saying it in a very generic way, so it will be very beneficial. If at all there's something which is getting reminded, I feel that, like, one instance in the future where something of the past comes in, just make sure that you understand the universe is bringing this into your attention because the time has come to reflect upon it and do what is required to release it, to amend it, or to move on, or whatever it is, energetic cutting of cords and everything, whatever it is that you need to do it there and then and find your final closure and move forward. That is also coming in. This says, see all aspects of yourself through the reflection of the one who mirrors your hidden self. We have vision. Trust in your ability to create the vision in your soul. You have gone through the period of self-happiness, self-healing, and there's this more amount, your heart chakra, which has opened up, compassion. You are instilling yourself, filling yourself with love, and that is overflowing and going outwards. And with all of that, you becoming clear about your own self. There's the personal vision which I was talking about, and that is helping you communicate also clearly now. Set in new intentions because there are rapid manifestations which are happening. You may manifest a period where you have to declutter your life, and that's just not objectively, subjectively too. And with that, you will quickly start pulling in things which have been stagnated for a very long time. So, what needs to be unclogged? Pay attention to that. Alright? And do just that. Cleanse your space, cleanse your life, cleanse your mind, cleanse your energy. And open your arms to embrace all the blessings, all kinds of blessings coming into your life is the energy which is coming in. I also feel with the vision coming in, if you have, because I have been saying it for a very long time, so if you've had this vision of your full potential, even if it's not visually, like an image, even if these are words or feelings that you have, I feel very soon you'll start feeling the same scenario getting created for you, which you have for your full potential. Also, if you're thinking of reducing, I'm not saying you have to reduce, it's just that it has been said over here, which will be beneficial. If you're thinking about it, pick a picture of yours which is like your ideal version that you want, like, body type that you want for yourself, or it could be any body type that you would like to have. You are beautiful, you are handsome, you are amazing just the way you are also, all right? I'm just saying, if this has been something which you want to do, I feel having a cue for that body type will really help accelerate the manifestation of the same is the energy which is coming in over here, all right? I just simply feel all aspects of your life synchronizing, and you are in a phase of inviting serendipity, and there are beautiful small surprises which will be like, when we have a long-term goal, then we split it into short-term goals and we feel more satisfied each and every time the short-term goal has been achieved. It's that kind of energy which is coming in. A path you are carving for yourself, but you're hopeful and there's a lot of joy which is coming in. So one good incident which leads to another one. And the thing is, like, when the good things are happening, you're not doubting it anymore. You're feeling good, and that vibe and frequency, mentality is being replicated each and every time, and it's getting maintained. Now, I'm not talking about toxic positivity where you have to force yourself to be happy all the time. Embrace all that you are. As you embrace life is the energy which is coming in. But remember, you have the courage, you have the strength to stand up once again, and whatever happens at the end of it, it will always work in your favor. And that is what is coming in. Many cues and support and many confirmations which are coming in from the universe for you now, and you'll start seeing how everything is resonating. There will be quite stark synchronicities which you can't just pass off as coincidences anymore. That is also the energy which is coming in. For some, I also feel with the energy which came in with this one, with higher guidance and everything coming in, you are a wise soul beyond years and have a deep knowledge of universal consciousness, and you are tapping into that is the energy which is coming in. Some of you could be indigo children also. You could be an indigo child. I also feel it's a very, like, the period forward, your intuition is getting really heightened and very accurate, and that's because you have been working with it, and the rewards of it is going to come in. You're gonna love it. When you're so in sync with yourself and everything else, you let go of the timelines and the matrix, and there's just another reality which opens up. That is also coming in. So it's like different things, but there's so much growth, so much fulfillment which is coming through for you guys. So kudos to what you're doing, because it's working in your favor, darling. And an offer is something which is getting manifested very soon. Of course, there is a thing of romance coming in, romantic offer which could be coming in, but also other ways of golden opportunities, meeting new people, new philosophies, and all that jazz which is also coming in for you. So a really, really nice productive time, socializing time where you will enjoy popularity and many like-minded people who will be coming in, and you will start making your own family, soul family on earth is also the energy which is coming through. All right, so do let me know if this resonated with you, and thank you so much for your precious time. If you enjoyed this reading, then please do like, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe. Thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. Until next time, love, light, healing, abundance, clarity, success, wealth of every kind, courage, and ascension to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonians. Shukriya for watching. Hello group 2, for those who chose the tennis rackets. So this one actually came in, I bought in France from Champs-Élysées, Claire's, I think. No, not Champs-Élysées, it was somewhere else. But anyways, it had a realistic miniature tennis ball with it also. But right now, to compensate, I have this one. So let's see what's coming in for you guys. We will first look into the tarot energy, what the guidance is coming in from tarot, like 3D vibes and everything. Then we'll go into the fortune cookies, and the rest will follow. I will also be looking into, if you rushed in without seeing the intro, I will be looking into the spirit realm and specific archangels, ascended masters coming in, helping you, assisting you on your journey of manifestation. All right, so let's begin. What's coming in for group 2? What's coming in for group 2? Thank you. We have 10 of cups coming in, 10 of emotions coming through, fulfillment coming in, certain kind of completion which is coming in, rewards which are coming through after a long period of hard work. So what have you been putting your attention on, focus on? What have you been working upon? That is coming into fruition very soon. The rewards will start flowing in. Or this also talks about family bliss. So maybe you're traveling with your family, a trip with family that could have been a possibility, which hasn't been a possibility, will become a possibility. Suddenly everyone has their schedule open for a particular few days or something or the other. Of course, there are festivities also again coming in, so maybe around that time. But I feel union also coming in this one, like 10 of cups also at times in many decks also talks about union. So divine soul connection, union could also be getting manifested pretty soon. Reconciling with someone from the past in a way is coming in, but divine soul connections, a lot of unions which will be happening in 2022 also. All right, so that kind of a synergy is coming in, but fulfillment is coming in, dreams fulfilled. We're talking about manifestations, and we have manifestations also coming in again, like everything, home life bliss coming through, thinking about settling down, long-term goals setting into motion, all of that energy which is coming in, a lot of joyful time which is coming in, joy to the world, that kind of a thing. We have 4 of voices, and talking about trips, we have 4 of voices, 4 of swords coming in, which is talking about indulge in some self-time. It's like self-love, self-care, take some rest and do some reflection, or like working with roses, which will also be helping attract passion into your life, self-love also, invoking self-love also. And take a break is coming in. You will get the time to have some time alone, personal space, which will be really, really beneficial for you. Energy coming through from the petals. Now we have the roses also coming in. 2 of materials, 2 of cups, 2 of coins coming in, talks about trying to decide which side is greener, kind of a thing. And apparently both sides are greener. So very good opportunities which are going to come in. Two offers, two people also could be coming in over here. Two aspects, very good aspects which are coming in, and there's a little bit of indecisive energy which is coming in. So from a period of not having in a particular situation, I'll just say, or aspect in life, not having any options at all, to suddenly jumping onto two options in front of you, very prominent two options opening up for you. We have the Ace of Materials coming in, which is really, really interesting, because this is going to be a period where you're going to be making sure that, okay, I'm just going to say it like with the Ace of Coins coming in, this is a new beginning for some very strong foundation to be built. All right, and new opportunities which will be coming through for you, and you will be really, like, assessing. That's what I'm saying. A period of assessing which way to go is the energy which is coming in, where the clarity will be coming in, new information will be coming through. I just feel like, someone sitting at your desk and many folders coming in, and you're deciding which one to choose, which not to choose. That kind of a very swiftly choosing energy which is coming through over here. Crossing the I's, dotting the T's. Dotting the I's, crossing the T's. That kind of a surety which will be required as you go forward. We have Three of Voices also coming in, Three of Swords coming through. Yeah, there's a divine soul connection kind of a energy which is coming through. Runner chaser vibe which may have been there in the past, and there's forward movement which is happening, because this may have been a scenario of the past which is coming through. Third party scenarios which may have been there, someone who may have been a little indecisive and not being able to make a choice, or many false starts which have been there in the past, and you took your time off, and you are now manifesting something which is very much in sync with you, very much in vibration with you, and something formidable, something that you can build upon is opening up for you. If you find yourself in this kind of a scenario, I feel that there's a lot of strength which is coming in, because there's this epitome, how much will I take kind of a thing which is coming in, which makes you decide once and for all, this is not for me, or this is how we can go about it, all in or all out, that kind of a thing which is coming in. And that strong stance that you take brings in union for you, is the energy which is coming in over here. I also feel in the time to come, very soon, if someone has been acting a little iffy, or if you have been a little indecisive, or if you haven't been going forward with a plan or with a relationship, the final reason why you haven't been able to go forward is going to come in front of you very, very strongly and very clearly, and all the indecision will be going away. That is the energy which is coming in, because you're taking some time to reflect, separate yourself from any kind of hardship that may have been there, or is continually going on, certain kind of suffering that we may have become a little accustomed to. You're stepping away from it and pulling in your power, and that is going to change many things for you, is the energy which is coming in. If there was something hidden, I feel everything is going to come in the forefront, is also the energy which is coming in. We have Five of Inspiration, Five of Wands, and Seven of Inspiration. Again, this was for Group 1 also, and 10 of Inspiration, and what else? 4 of Emotions coming in. Yeah, I feel like in situations where you felt you were being taken for granted, or your efforts weren't getting recognized, I feel you're stepping into a time where you're letting go of the insecurities, is the energy which is coming in over here. You're letting go of the judgments, of any kind of comparisons, hurt and everything. You're listening to your voice, inner voice, and standing in your power as you go forward, because you know what you deserve. Ace of Inspiration going forward. With all the Wands cards which came in, I feel this is a time where you are overcoming any kind of obstacle that was there and reclaiming your power. And that is what I'm feeling in the time to come, you're manifesting a lot of freedom, that you have the freedom, the courage, the strength to go in any direction, and you're not scared anymore. I'm feeling you being very, very fearless and not waiting upon someone who has been waiting upon making a decision anymore. You're taking back control of your life, is what I'm feeling over here. With these three cards, these two cards are very, very positive, and this is like a life lesson which is unfolding. Someone who came into your life to teach you a lesson. So people enter and exit our life, and they have their parts to play, good or bad, and we learn from it, and we move forward, we evolve, and that is what is coming in. There could be a potential ending in relationship, in friendship, which is no longer serving you, and you have given a lot to this equation in the past and until now. But I feel if you have been waiting upon a certain day, that it will become all very clear for me, that is the day when I'll do it. I'll let it go. Universe is bringing in an opportunity, a window for you to do just that, and use this in the future as a fulcrum. That is what is coming in, collecting all the pieces and allowing your heart to heal and finding the voice of joy and abundance. Once again is the energy which is coming through. There's this old Hindi song coming into my mind. I also feel, because while this is going on, this became very prominent for me, and this is like a little more dormant energy, something which you have known, and that is getting manifested now. If you want things, I don't want to go into changing your mentality and everything. I just feel like something, maybe something is happening in your life where this union is happening, you meeting your soulmate, you getting married, perhaps settling down, shifting in with someone, and a promise which is getting fulfilled now, like in the future, and you realize why it did not get fulfilled in the past, why the rejection came in, why there was so much procrastination and all of that. There's this energy of like, thank God that relationship didn't work out, because I've found the person I was meant to be with. Thank God that job went the way it went, because now today look at me, I have all the emotional, financial, physical, all kind of security, earthly security and everything which is working in my favor. And there's a lot of luxury which is coming in. From a place of depletion, you are moving into opulence, is what I'm going to say. Wealth of every kind, not just monetary, but of every kind. That is also coming in. Alright? Because there's this very strong thing of where things had been, it's almost like you said no to breadcrumbs and the universe is giving you a full loaf now. That is the energy which is coming in, and there's going to be an outpouring of love, and all you gotta do is soak it all in, darling. And that is the energy which is coming in over here. Alright, so let's see what's coming in. Maybe on a full moon, have a nice bathing ritual for yourself. Work with petals, rose petals perhaps, because there has been so much rose coming in. It will be really, really beneficial. Alright, if you want to invite love in, you could also put rose candles, pink candles, red candles at your doorway, at the side of your doorway, and invite love in, invoke love in, that kind of a thing. Or surround yourself in a sacred circle and step in and say a few as simple as affirmations like I love, I am loved, I am loved, will also be very, very beneficial for you. You'll see a change because you'll start embodying that, and I feel you doing that in that transformation now. You know your value, and sometimes we just have to go through the extremes to understand the other array of things that we don't really want. Sometimes also understanding that what are our limits, or till what extent we can go, is also something which is important for understanding ourselves and everything. All right, So there's a lot of fulfillment coming in. Trust me, there's a lot of support also coming through unexpected sources, from unexpected sources also. Okay, I'm eating of words because I'm getting very, it's almost like I have like, feels like I have gulab jamun in my mouth. Those are like sweets. So that mithai, that's the energy which is coming in. Good news which is coming in. A lot of celebration which is coming through from a time of isolation. And in that isolation, it wasn't really isolation anymore, because you started enjoying your solitude and you became busy with life and you are now thriving. And there's a lot of rewards, fulfillment, happy time, love, and everything which is full blown now. That is the energy which is coming in from the fortune cookies. We firstly have care required. Guard yourself against deception and be careful of making foolish mistakes at this time. So use a little bit of discernment. It will be very, very beneficial to fully understand the reality or intentions of another person. If you have in the future, I feel also there is this need of safeguarding your dreams or safeguarding your ideas till the time it hasn't turned into something more formidable, which you can, or more concrete, which you can share with the world. That is also coming in. We have travel coming through. I was talking about trips. Long distance communication will open up your life, exciting experiences for singles and career advancements for others are foreseen in the future. This energy has that thing of the Wheel of Fortune, Major Arcana, where things have been delayed and everything. Travel plans may also have been delayed, but things are picking up pace now. That is what is coming in. Things are changing. We have romance coming in. Love is set to sizzle. The chance for romance is high for those seeking a connection. Okay. It's really nice. Really, really nice. We have all the love cards have gone now. Like nowadays, what I do is like each deck, after each group, I keep on removing all the cards that have come out. And now with these two cards, I think all the love cards are out. We have affairs of the heart could cause future problems, but take heart as difficult situations will be resolved by a good decision this week. In the coming week, any kind of conflict which is there, I feel like you emotionally calming yourself down with the Four of Voices over here, emotionally calming yourself down will make you see the logic or the foresight of from different perspective, and a good resolution will be reached is the energy which is coming in over here. And we have burnout. Your hard work will see results, but your health needs to be maintained. So check in with your doctor, dentist, and health professional and try to maintain a healthy lifestyle. That is coming in. Rest and rejuvenation is coming through. We don't need to get burnt out, and take some time. You make use of the pause right now because things are going to pick up pace, and that time you want to be alert, aware, and agile to make best of the opportunities coming up for you. All right, so let's see what else is coming in. Don't worry, be happy. That kind of a thing is coming in. All right, let's see what wishes are coming through. We have dreams coming in, like sleeping. I don't know what this card is, but pay attention to your dreams is also coming in. There could be a certain kind of wildest of dreams. Don't think that they are impossible, because they are absolutely possible now is also coming in. With this one, this says, happy sleep pillow. I wish well and have good dreams. If you have been having a little restless night, sleep and all of that because of anxiety or whatever, like, you feel, get up a little groggy and all, saying this or affirming something powerful, positive before sleeping will be beneficial. If you want to talk to your guides also, you can call upon them before you go to sleep. When you get up in the morning, dream logging will be very nice, dream journaling will be very nice, but you can also just go through whatever tidbits you remember. If not everything, whatever you do remember was something that you were consciously meant to remember, like you were meant to remember, recall upon consciously. So just give attention to that and try understanding it subjectively. Use internet also for deciphering your dreams. Understanding what your subconscious is trying to tell you is going to guide you, is going to really help you, because there are many downloads, insights, cues, guidance coming in from the universe through your higher self via your subconscious for you. So pay attention to that also. And I wanted to say, like, in the morning, if you can, like, just for 2 minutes, just meditate, or just before you look into your phone, just spend some time breathing. That is also coming in. Okay. With yourself before you start the day. That kind of a thing. It helps. It genuinely helps. What else is coming in for pile 2 for those who chose tennis racket? I miss playing tennis a lot. Okay. Thank you. We'll just see. My wishes float easily out to the world. And I wanted to say it. You have the power now to transform and manifest your dreams into waking reality, and that is exactly what is coming in over here. New opportunities to indulge in your playful side could also be coming in. I used to love doing these. I am full of hope and I take action. I am grounded and creative. If you have a nice passion which is such that a talent of yours or a passionate hobby of yours wherein you keep doing it and you just become that, it's like a meditation in its own self. So indulge in that. It will also bring you a lot of this good feeling which enhances the grounding essence, because the inner child also gets happy and everything. So any kind of insecurity that may be there, like, it just brings in this oneness with yourself. Maybe art or music and dance and creative flair of yours, tap into that. It will help your manifestation powers as well. And take care of your health. It will really help you, because you are right now, this is your body is your vessel, so take care of it. I look forward to new challenges coming in with wishing boat, lotus, and this thing. There's a lot of strength which is coming in, overcoming any kind of obstacle. If you find yourself in a difficult or sticky situation right now, in the future you are coming out of it, because you are coming up with resolutions or solutions which work well with everyone. Even if it is about leaving someone, you are doing it amicably now, is the energy which is coming in, with this feeling that you've done what you could. That kind of a thing. I'm not saying a partition separation is coming in, but we had 3 of swords coming in. So it could be like, you traveling to another city, another country. That kind of a thing is also coming in. But growth is coming through, alright? It'll all work out. I am loved and protected. With the crystals coming in. And fluorite coming in. Maybe working with fluorite will be very beneficial for you. Like, apart from everything else, I've also, like, turquoise is really good for communication, clear communication, but also fluorite, I feel like, it becomes any kind of inhibition which is there, you getting flustered a little, and it gives a lot of confidence. And I've seen many people's inner child get healed also, or get grounded in a way. We have the world loves me. Send a letter to the universe. Wow. During a new moon, have a new moon journal with you, is the energy which is coming in, and write things positive things for yourself, which you, as though you are already achieving it. I am so and so, I am so and so, that kind of a thing. I am brave, I am strong, I am abundant, that kind of a thing. Vision board energy is also coming in. And anything which is getting revealed is already something which you have known, is also the energy which is coming in. You already, for some people, you already knew something was built on shaky grounds and it's only going to tumble down for the level to be ground, so that you build something more stronger, more long lasting for yourself in your life. And rejection in the form of protection is also coming in. But whatever is going to get revealed in the future, apart from everything else which is working in your favor, know that it is only spiritual assistance coming your way, because it was time to let go of things which are now obsolete, because a new life is calling you and it's time to travel towards a more meaningful life. And as you do that, your life, angels and guides will keep supporting you through the journey as well. All right, so let's see who is with you in spirit, guiding you, coming through. You could also connect with them. Who's coming in for group 2? There's so much love, and my third eye is getting activated. Wow. Okay, who is this? We have Archangel Michael. How beautiful. I just, you know how, I don't know how it feels, but I feel drowsy. Like, I feel so soaked in love right now. Like, maybe looking into your lover's eyes or something like that. Like, oh, so much unconditional love which is coming in. So we have Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, and Zadkiel. I don't know where is that accent coming in from. With Kuan Yin, unconditional love which is coming in. Archangel Michael and his legion of angels are here. Again, whatever is out of sync in your life, he is here to assist you on this journey of cutting cords which no longer serves you. Alright? And with Archangel Rapha over here, I'm going to say Rapha because it's not ringing in my head the way it's supposed to be. Heart chakra energy is coming in, and with Kuan Yin also coming through. So much love, kindness, divine feminine energy also coming through. Your heart center is opening up, and there's so much deserved love which is brimming in your life, getting accentuated in your life. There's so much healing which is coming in. And I'm very like, you know, the way you feel when you have tears of joy, that is what I'm feeling. There's so much healing, so much love, protection which is coming in. There's also like divine intervention coming in. And while the shoving of or the change of course may be a little difficult, but there is this divine intervention happening for that. There is a reason why which is happening. And then the assistance for your healing journey is also coming in. I'm not saying you're going to be hurt, but there's so much love, care, tenderness being bestowed over you. Soak that in. Soak that in. This is an orb which has been captured. You could be seeing such things. Oh, wow. Just beautiful. Okay, it's really interesting. You saw the way the card came out, right? And this is number 43. Pile 1 got 42. So Amazing. I'm just so happy for you guys. I'm just so happy for you guys. There's so much love coming in. So much love. 4th of March, 3rd of April could be of significance. Number 7 is coming in with the 4 and 7. There's the spiritual awakening which is happening. Beauty in everything is the energy which is coming in. Very healing period is in front of you, even if it's not emotionally, but like if you have been burnt out, or health wise, if there have been things which have been causing a lot of concern, I feel your health is also improving. And if you have been fatigued, all of that replenished energy which is coming in over here. All right, so let's see what's the message they have for you. There's a lot of higher wisdom, guidance, inner knowing also coming in, higher knowledge which is also coming in with Zadkiel. I'm sorry if I'm saying them wrong. There's a lot of transmutation which is coming in. And also, what you learned from the past, you're utilizing that experience in the now in a very productive way of inspiring other people also is the energy for some people out there. So this one says, this orb enables you to use your masculine energy positively and bring it into balance with your feminine energy. When your masculine and feminine energy honor and support each other, you fall into alignment with the universe. This enables you to move confidently on your ascension pathway. Your guidance today is to call on these angels and masters to help you balance your energies, the yin and the yang, and with the union also, like union within your own self of divine masculine, divine feminine energy, of the yang and the yin, and healing your yang energy, and the divine masculine energy within you, creating a secure garden for your divine feminine energy to come through, to express itself. That is also coming in. You are elevating and it is going to get mirrored onto someone else also, is the energy which is coming in. Let's see what guidance is coming in from them. I'm feeling so much relief. So nice. We have Earth Guide. Your sacred calling upon this earth is to simply love and be loved, and show many people what true love really is. Set an example on this world, on this earth. I also feel like, a part of your soul purpose is unfolding right now, is also kind of coming in. Everything making sense. We have truth coming through. This says, see your light, know your power, have the courage to walk your truth, walk your talk, is also coming through. And it's now time not only to contemplate, because analysis comes from divine feminine energy, but also to take action on them, which is divine masculine energy. So all of that jiving together. We have magnificence coming in. You are amazing. You are amazing, magnificent and unique. But most importantly, you are enough. You are whole. You are enough is something which is coming in, being reminded by the universe, by your guides and angels. Remember this. You don't have to change yourself for another person. Yes, if you feel inspired to do something because it is advantageous for you, it is something that you feel at a soul level called to do it. But don't do it because you want to do it for another person, because someone else asked you to do, or because you feel pressured by society to do so. Alright? Do it when you're ready to do it. And when you feel, or if you feel, you ought to do it. Okay? At the bottom, we have dreams. The universe speaks to you through your dreams. I was talking about it in this one. We have we have meditation. Take a moment to connect to source through quiet reflective meditation. At the end of the day also, do a little bit of reflection. How did your day go? Or a few things, good things that happened today. Think about those things as you go to sleep also. Angels really want you to connect with your true self by going within. Pick a place at your home for meditation. Create an altar is also coming in. I feel a very heartfelt wish will be fulfilled in the near future, and then your angels will ask you to pay it forward by doing something in some form of charity for humanity. Step away from the daily grind and take the time to identify your soul purpose and take steps to move in that direction. Some of the cues which come in terms of your soul purpose, and there needn't be just one, all right? There are many things, attributes to you which you can utilize and facilitate. But some of the cues of your soul purpose are embedded in the natural gifts and talents of yours, all right? Maybe in the near future you try something different. Maybe very randomly you try tarot, you try some artwork, you try something different, a dance form or something or the other, and you realize that you're really good at it. Like you could pick it up and within 6 months max, I'm saying, you're acing it. That's the energy which is coming in now, all right? Missing pieces which you are finding now is the energy which is coming through. So do let me know if this resonated with you, and thank you so much for your precious time. If you enjoyed this reading, found it insightful, please do like, share it with your loved ones and subscribe. Thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. I love you all so very dearly. Until next time, love, light, healing, abundance, courage, empowerment, fulfillment, compassion, awakening and ascension to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe. Hi my lovely Moonians. Shukriya for watching. Hello group 3, for all those who have chosen the grenade, and guess what, it comes with a surprise. It's a pen also. I did your reading once, and once I was over with it, it didn't get recorded for some reason. So I'm taking that as a personal message reading for me, deciphered for me. I kept those cards whichever came out inside, and now today is 11/11, so this message was meant to be here. Journaling will be very beneficial for you, all right? Planning, strategy, energy is also coming in. And if you're a writer, there's a lot of success which is coming in, accolades which could be coming in your stream for you. All right, let's look into the 3D energies. Like on earth, what kind of a manifestation is coming in, how are we traveling, treading forward. And also, if you have skipped the intro, apart from everything else, we will be looking into the spirit team who is connecting with you, assisting you, guiding you towards your manifestations, like spirit guides, ascended masters, and also archangels later on. All right, so let's begin now. What's coming in for group 3? I also feel for those who are creative, think about the concept that you are trying to project. Let your art, whatever the form may be, let your art, creativity express itself on its own is also something which is coming in, all right? With the grenade and the pen which is inside, just got inspired to say so. Look around, there's a lot of inspiration coming in from the universe, from the world. These are way too many. Interesting. We have 10 of voices, the page of materials, and 5 of inspiration, which is coming in. Any kind of self-doubt is coming to an end. You're listening to your own self, and any kind of obstacles externally or implicated internally by your own self, you are overcoming that. With the page of materials, this is going to be a very, very good time for students in the future, and become the student of life. Upgrading your skills will be very, very beneficial. This is a very going to be a very jovial time for you, is also the energy which is coming in. Go ahead slowly and steadily, enjoying the sceneries and learning from life. That kind of energy is coming through. And we have the 10 of voices. Apart from that, we have 8 of voices also. So with the 10 of voices and the 8 of voices coming in, illusions which are being revealed, and there's this reality check which helps you become in sync with yourself. You become answerable, you start voicing your opinion, and with the 10 of voices coming in, you are now consciously stepping into a phase where you are letting go of things. Any setback that may have been there, you are not getting defined by it. You are discarding who you are not and moving forward. That is the energy which is coming in, picking yourself up. A lot of bravery energy is coming through, not shying away from the truth, picking yourself up, and this thirst for knowledge or to grow is what is coming in. You're coming to a phase where you realize all the external competition in the world cannot demonstrate your innate worth. You are already deserving of your own highest accolades and love. That is the energy which is coming in. You're coming, there's this strengthening bond which is coming through, and your connection with your higher self is strengthening, and that is giving you a lot of power, a lot of empowerment which is coming through over here. And situations, I feel that coming in, situations where you felt stuck are getting unstuck now, and you're the one carrying the baton forward is the energy which is coming in. You're learning, the learning curve is coming in, and this is the time where the curve starts going up, because things are going to get unblocked now in the near future is the energy. Certain level of self-tethering which is completely going away and is empowering you, unleashing the ties or the hostilities. You're breaking the, like, cutting the cords now. You're no longer all tied up. I'm feeling that like a breath of fresh air which is coming in. Certain kind of baggage which you are letting go of, and you're feeling freer. That is the energy which is coming in. Overcoming the stormy nights, for the dawn is breaking. There's something which is reaching which is reaching a clean slate. I'm feeling that you're getting a clean slate. So releasing work which is happening, and it's going to benefit you a lot. We have 10 of materials coming in. Financial abundance, creating your family, family bonds become deepening, or anything, any kind of discord which was there, I feel resolutions coming in. And on top, we have the Chariot. Things may be slowing down, but things are coming in your favor. And the pace, it's also asking you to choose a pace that is more suited for your own self and not in accordance to the world. You don't have to keep running. You can take breaks and you can go towards your goals at your own pace is also the energy which is coming in, because success, fulfillment, cornucopia energy is coming through. Financial windfalls also could be coming in, but an initial pause is coming in. Take some time to do the work is coming through, to finish the project. Add a little bit of your own personal flair to it. Make it a little different. How can you specialize what you have to offer? Think about that, because there's going to be a lot of rewards coming in. And we have the moon also coming in, Cancerian and Pisces major arcana, and this is a Pisces major arcana. It's time to work and develop your skills. new seeds that need to be sown, deeper truths which are being revealed, and your intuition is growing. The cosmic energies around you are really getting heightened. You're very soon going to find an opportunity to start on a long-term project, long-term goal of yours is also the energy which is coming in. You're letting go of the indecisions, the clarity is coming in, and you're going to go with that, on that journey of creating a dynasty of love and wealth coming through. I like the energy which is coming in. Slow and steady energy is also coming through, but any kind of sleepless nights, anxiety, analysis paralysis that has been going on, the stress is going away because inspiration is taking place. Its place instead is the energy. Alright, we are tapping into. Now let's look into what the fortune cookies have for us. What are we manifesting? Thank you. We have opportunities. A stranger is about to change your life. Exciting times and plenty of action. Plus a special family reunion looks likely. And this could be a thing because 10 of materials, 10 of pentacles also talks about family reunion and all of that celebration. Creating a legacy and all of that. Material success also. We have major life change. Time is right for major life changes as a new lifestyle or location brings great joy and a trouble-free existence. Things are anything which has been thorny. It's leading you towards the rose, towards success, towards beauty, towards spirituality. This is a very blossoming time which I'm tapping into for your future, for as to what you are manifesting soon. So in the soon, you'll start seeing the signs and synchronicities or things evolving in a particular direction which has that good feeling to it, attached to it. And the changes which are coming in, they may be long term. The changes that you are thinking about of undertaking may involve lifelong consequences is the energy which is coming in, affect you in the long term. So you're really taking the time to consider what's best for you. And with the Chariot coming in reverse, it in a way is also talking about pause to ponder, smile and wonder, but let go of the grip of knowing everything and allow things, events, opportunities, all that is best suited for you to unveil themselves, unravel themselves naturally. 333 energies coming in also, like the universe was working behind the wings and you just can't see it right now, but keep doing what you're doing. It's working in your favor. You are about to be surprised. It's the energy which is coming through. What else? And of course, these were too many. And of course, there could be a location change due to new job opportunities or whatever. Could be travel thing which is happening or change of location which is occurring for your benefit. So it could be something unforeseen, but it surprises you very beautifully is also coming in. Like maybe if you're thinking about as a student, if you're thinking about going abroad, applying to universities abroad, I feel the chances of you getting in are very much likely. So keep studying, do your part, and let the universe do its part is coming through. One thing, we have jealousy coming in. Watch who you trust with your personal secrets and plans. Spend time outdoors with nature to reconnect and replenish coming in. Let go of comparing yourself, the envy of any kind that may be there, and become aware of people are surrounding you who truly have your true intentions, who are supportive and not only there for the good times. Become aware of those things. It just helps because you want to establish more valuable friendships, relationships in your life. It always is very helpful, very nurturing, and very grounding in its own way. And spend some time in nature will be very good. I also feel like there's this glow up energy which is coming in, and quite a few people could be jealous of the growth, the sudden growth that you have is also the energy which is coming in. So that's okay. Just a second. I didn't know we had like, I was just shuffling. I was just about to keep the cards. I didn't know we had two opportunity cards. And this one says, an important offer will be made. Be prepared and dress to impress. You're really taking care of yourself, nurturing yourself, and you are unafraid of the speed at which things may be going is also something which is coming in. The tension, the stress which was building up, I feel you being very happy, stress less about how you're progressing, because it's a very short thing that you're doing and you feel like doing it. So time is becoming very illusionary, is not like a setback or a constraint anymore. I feel you emotionally also freeing yourself from certain things, certain friendships which are no longer beneficial for you, because you are moving towards a more meaningful life. And with that, there are new opportunities, and a complete 180-degree flip also could be coming in. All right, so let's see what magical energies are surrounding you now. These are affirmations also which you can utilize. We have, I love my body. Love your body coming in over here. Embrace all that you are. And with the moon card also coming in, work with your shadow self. Don't get daunted by it. It is only you. You'll only find yourself. And there's no light without darkness also. And as you dive deeper into your consciousness, into your shadow self, and face it with the 10 of voices, 10 of swords coming in, and you face all that there is, you'll see as you keep diving deeper, you will be opening a new portal of light, the doorway to light, a next level of it coming in for you. Maybe you're exercising or something or the other, eating healthy, and that's keeping you energetic, hydrating, keeping yourself hydrated, so skin is also soft and supple. But irrespective, I feel you embracing yourself as you are and absolutely loving yourself, and that's bringing out your authentic self, and that's really attractive is what I feel like. Queen of Wands energy is coming in. So we're letting go of the insecurities and flourishing. I also want to say like, sometimes irrespective of your body shape, sometimes it's difficult to connect with your body. Feel a little alienated or not enough. Let go of that. Alright? Embrace all that you are as you are. If you want to improve, do that, but don't pressure yourself due to it, or don't undermine yourself due to it. I used to do it like when I was my fittest also. I used to feel I'm still fat because for tennis I was a little plump. Not so plump also, but a little plump, and everyone around me were a lot more skinnier. So always had it. So after a point, I was like Lego. Like, don't mind me, bhar mein jaye. Who the F cares at that kind of a thing? And I just let myself be and let go of that pressure, and that was very freeing. And it was a learning curve in a way also. I'm not telling you everything, let it be, it's not that important. We have a message card also coming through, which has that 7 of Swords energy coming in, messages coming in from the divine, from spirit. Become aware of like feathers and other kind of, apart from angel numbers, other kind of synchronicities. Messages coming in from the divine is also coming through. Very soon someone is about to contact you. The first person who came into your mind, that's more than likely who it's going to be. We have Happy Puppet. I am enough. I am whole. I am enough. These cards came in. I don't know about this one. I think this one of these flashed out. Okay, we have my wishes float easily out into the world. Bubble power coming in. At the bottom, we have the moon shows me patience, moon wishes coming in, and also in all its phases, the moon is still whole and unafraid to reveal itself in different phases. On top, we have I receive messages from nature easily. Fly free coming through. The time has come to dry your wings and fly again. I see a very thriving time ahead for you, where you are getting things done. You are embracing your authentic self, all that you are. And you are also coming in alignment with the universe, and that is enabling you to manifest things very quickly. The moment you think about it, within a few days, max to max, it starts happening. That kind of energy is also coming through. There are a few things that I want to say, but first, let's see who is with you in spirit. You can also connect with them to assist and guide you towards your manifestations, on your journey of manifestations. What's coming in for group 3? Thank you. We have 4 cards. These are way too many. Sorry. Heart chakra. I wanted to talk about heart chakra, and these two, the greenery over here also are there. With the web over here, I'm not going to read into it, but with the web over here, cast your own web of love and abundance coming in. Work with your heart chakra. In the place of our heart chakra, there's unconditional love in the upper half, and jealousy and the low vibrational energies, the fears and the doubts which you are letting go of. You're choosing what to reign powerfully in your heart center, and that's unconditional love and passion, compassion, which you are enabling, because your ego self is also coming into the service of your higher self. So I feel that change happening internally as well, and that is really empowering you. You are radiating is the energy coming in. So who is with group 3 in spirit, assisting them? There's a lot of determination which is coming in. A lot of, I just can't thank you. Zip, zap, zoom. Christmas could be of relevance. Also, we'll see what these are. We have archangels, Mallory, Uriel and Michael, with an angel of love and a spirit coming through. This is an orb which has been captured. You could be seeing white flashes of light, or out of nowhere a little bit of white grayish smoke. With the number 9 coming in, this has been a journey of you starting with independence, on initiation with the number 1's cycle of independence, of traveling towards, with all the number cycles which come in between, towards 9, of finding your true self. Archangel Michael has come in all 3, and the cards which fell out in the first one, it had Angel of Love, and this one also is with Angel of Love, number 23. The month of September could be of relevance. 2nd of March or 3rd of Feb could be of relevance. Also, number 5 does denote changes, transformations. So get ready. Don't resist change, but now embrace the rewards of change. Archangel Butialil with an angel of love coming in. We'll quickly read the messages coming through with this. I feel that you need to protect your energy, which is why we had jealousy and everything which came along. And with that, you valuing the energy, your healing, your capabilities, resources that you can give to others, you're respecting it now and not overusing it so much so that you deplete your own resources, kind of a thing is coming in. But your auric field is also getting strengthened. If you want, you can also see 999 angel number messages from 999 or 2323 also. With number 9 over here, this orb opens you to the desire to access your past life wisdom, the protection to do so, and the wisdom to use it for your ascension pathway. You have much knowledge and wisdom locked in your soul, and your guidance is to still your mind and give yourself time and space to connect with it, which is why we had the Chariot also coming in reverse. Take some time, pause to ponder, smile and wonder. That energy is coming in because you may be a psychic yourself, or you have like the sixth sense in the most generic way of saying it, and you're developing that or strengthening it, enhancing it, or becoming aware of it. All right, the High Priestess who's coming through. Don't be shy of sharing the wisdom which is coming in, and you can. I also feel you are a mature soul because you've had the wisdom collected over lifetimes is also something which is coming in. And the portal of opening to it, connecting with source and bringing that knowledge onto earth for humanity is opening up for some out there. Use it for your own illumination and drop nuggets of truth into the heart and minds of others for the greater good of all. I didn't read the last line. See, about manifestation, when I was talking about it, it's going to be very, very quick. And that clear message came in that your purpose is like, there's the highest good for all kind of energy which is coming in, illuminating minds. And it came in when I first did the reading, it came in the same energy. And I'm so happy that it's coming in a more condensed way for you guys. With number 23, we have this orb helps you to embrace the mystery of the tree kingdom. Trees hold much ancient wisdom and also records of all that has happened in an area. I love how like deep inner knowing, deep wisdom which is embedded in your soul, which is opening up now, and you're tapping into that. It's maintaining, sustaining itself in this card also. Trees are anchors for divine light, offering healing and comfort to humans as well as the entire nature and elemental kingdom. Your guidance is to look at trees with new eyes today and recognize their importance and their magic. Then tune into their wisdom and accept the energy they offer for you. If you're feeling a little ungrounded, a little insecure, a little stressed, where your back is also feeling very sensitive, just put your back against a bark or step into the forest or some foresty park which have a lot of trees and see the one which is calling you out. Trust me, if you are this in sync with the elemental kingdoms, with the animal kingdom and everything, with nature, it will call you out very, very significantly, and you just go and hug it. It's a remarkable experience. It's like hugging a mother, almost very close to it. And it's very interesting, in the previous reading when I did it, which did not get recorded, it had I think it had opportunities in it. There was something else and nature also. So I felt a lot of, it had personal riches also. So there was this element of a tree coming in there, and I wanted to talk about it, but it's fine. And that is also coming through. Stand tall, stand strong is also coming in while embracing your vulnerabilities, because that showcases emotional strength. And you are so remarkably powerful. You have so many gifts. You are stronger than you know. You are wiser than you know of. Explore. Alright? Let's see what guidance is coming in from them. Angel of Love is coming in, which is reminding me of a card in the energy oracle deck, and she holds a heart which is made of rose quartz. So self-healing, nurturing, which is coming in, a lot of loving vibrations coming through, a lot of care coming in from the spiritual realm for you also. You can also utilize rhodonite and other malachite, green and pink colored crystals for your heart chakra also, if you're interested in that. There's a lot of gentleness which is coming in, and I'm really loving it. All right, I don't know if you can see the specifics of this, but there's a girl over here, and there's illumination coming in from the third chakra. Your intuition is growing, higher wisdom which is coming in, downloads which are happening also. This is a awakening time for you, and you have undergone a storm, tower moment kind of a thing, dark night of the soul, and the light which is now coming in. So we have choice. By staying conscious in your thoughts, you guide your journey in the direction of choice. You have always have a choice of letting go of karmic patterns, things which have been repeating themselves and which are no longer serving you, and choose something more positive. Even if it is a thought pattern, we are now choosing to let go of that, is the energy which is coming in. You are choosing change, enlightenment, empowerment. You are the best judge is also the energy which is coming in. Use your judgment. Don't be so hasty in making those decisions. We have creation. Being creative is a wonderful way of witnessing the unfolding of your limitless creative soul. Your scope is limitless. This one also came in. We have ascension coming through. No kidding there. Your soul is evolving to higher states of consciousness. You are ready for this. You are manifesting. Isis energy is coming in with you are ready. Keep an open mind, because the signs are going to be there. Things are going to... There's a love bomb essence also coming in, but transformations which lead to golden opportunities, and you just take them. And this is a time where this rapid progress, evolution, growth, success, which you are trotting towards, is what is coming in very soon for you. Move away from habits, even eating habits or unhealthy means of coping mechanism, and make conscious efforts to distance yourself from cravings and addictions in order to avoid major health problems. Or even, I'm not seeing any health problem coming in, but it's just that overindulgence of any kind, even if it's overthinking, will not be benefiting you, because you are a very high vibrational being. And there's this essence of a few out there being earth angels. For some, maybe you don't feel that you belong here. The family you have grown into, you don't feel that you are here, from here, and it happens. Many beings come from other worlds to bring in illumination into this world, and you are awakening to that is also coming through. The universe is about to speak through you. And if you're already on this journey, if you're already a healer, I feel a lot of success coming in there also. The whole thing of any kind of storminess which was there was to test whether or not you actually wanted to do it, or the reason why you started, or this is something that you actually want to do. That kind of a test which was coming in, because I'm again hearing you have passed the tests coming through, and now the universe is stepping in, and anything which was in the wings are coming through. Any kind of stagnation which was there, things are changing around now, picking up pace and running into your life. That is the energy which is coming through, flooding into your life, literally, not even gently coming in, whoop, like that, coming through like this energy. I also feel any kind of negativity that may have been there, it's like being soaked like a sponge and elevating your frequency as you are elevating, ascending towards the highest frequency of love. With the tree coming in, there's this alternative medicine practices which is also coming in: Reiki, acupuncture, Ayurveda, homeopathy, healing, energetic healing, singing bowls, all of that which will really, really help you, or you could be the one doing it, conducting these sessions too. But it's really, really time to infuse creativity into your life by undertaking or indulging in music and arts and anything that involves creation. This is about to open up new possibilities and widen the horizon, your horizon, and that is what I'm seeing over here. You may be undertaking certain kind of skills and everything, and that's going to help you a lot, because it is helping you specialize and be a little ahead from the market. That is also coming in, standing out energy which is coming through. Embracing your uniqueness and showcasing that to the world and inspiring so many others too. And guiding humanity towards its highest good is also coming through. You are really being guided by the cosmos, so stay strong, as a very positive outcome is assured, and one of those positive outcomes are coming to you very soon. And as this may be a very transformative time, connect with Gaia, with Mother Earth. She will protect you and guide you through these changing times as well, alright? This is a very, very beautiful time ahead for you guys. It may seem a little daunting, but it's not going to be. Rest assured, this is a very, very beautiful phase of which is unraveling. And that is what is coming in. So do let me know if this resonated with you, and hit the like and share it with the loved ones if you enjoyed this, and subscribe too. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, clarity, ascension, wisdom, transformation, transmutation, alleviation, and creation to you all. Thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. I love you all so very dearly. Until next time, Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe. Hi, my lovely Moonians. Shukriya for watching.